Hey everybody, you have McGann, and today I am unboxing a special edition of ScoutBox, which is just a box especially for Scout leaders. So, scoutbox.us if you want to go on there and find your own subscription. This is normally a monthly subscription box, but this particular box was just a one-time deal for $50. And here you can go and share your adventure for a chance to win prizes. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, slightly different for Twitter, so just pay attention if you're going over there. Use the hashtag ScoutBox. And already I see a really nice looking tumbler. I love green. Oh, it's like a mug tumbler. Okay. I love green. It's my favorite color. I love this neon green. Double wall insulated, eco vessel insulated, with the ScoutBox logo on the front. And it's got a really nice handle. It's got a plastic lid that has the travel mug opening closing type of slot. And here you go. We got an insulated, like the kind you would see with the Yeti cups and stuff that are really popular. Care and use. Care and use, thank you for your purchase. Hand wash. Do not overfill with hot drinks. And here are some of their other products. All right, so pretty nice opening item. On the side here, we've got Koju Coffee Base Camp Blend. Oak, chocolate, honey, medium roast. Okay, I don't drink coffee, but my husband will love that. This one is Dark Roast Bold Awakening, Earthy, Dark Cocoa, Dried Berry. That one actually sounds kind of good, but again, I don't really drink coffee because I can't have caffeine. Angel's Landing, which is a light roast of floral, nutty, and citrus. Well, oh, I'm way down here, aren't I? It would help if I got on screen. But, okay, so we got 3 sample coffees. It looks like, oh, it's just add water, so it's basically an instant coffee. It already has a filter and the coffee inside. So, this is cool. This would be a great thing to bring out to camp over the camp season. And here is, this is actually packing material, but I kind of like it as confetti or more Firestarter, whichever you prefer, but you can always find more uses for things. Okay, what do we got down in here? Lightning Flame Firestarter. Oh, I think we got this in the sample box we had a few months ago. And by the way, just to clarify, this is hashtag not sponsored. Unlike the previous box, we did buy this one of our own accord without any prompting. But this Lightning Flame is emergency fire starter, will start 1 fire, matches located inside container lid. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't remember if we opened up the last one we got or not, but that's probably because I don't do as much camping as my husband. But I know that this is really great if you can't get your fire started for one reason or another. You can put this in the campfire, light the match, start your flames. Now we have Kusa Tea, Premium Instant Tea, USDA Organic, 3-pack sampler. Oh, cool. Very nice packaging. I expected to just pull out some tea bags here. We've got mango green tea, and English breakfast tea. So, looks like 1 serving of each. You just kind of... Oh, hey, 30% off if I want more Kusa Tea. But yeah, it looks like you just, sort of like those Kool-Aid pouches and stuff, you just rip it and add it into your water. Yep, there it says, simply open the tea stick and pour it into empty 12 to 14 ounce cup. And then use hot or cold water as you please. Alright, oh, this looks kind of cool. Mag Connect. Oh, okay, yeah, so you can have your keys, okay. I know my husband's going to take a lot of this stuff from the box from me. My husband clips his keys on his belt all the time. So you just put, you know, 1 key ring on the clip and then you can just, boop, pull it apart and get it back together. And then that way you aren't constantly having to take your keys on and off and on and off. It says up to 3-pound magnet, so that's pretty good. I mean, that's pretty cool. I don't want to get that too close to the camera, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. It's got a tab A and a slot B, and whoo! That was so strong it ripped it out of my hand. That's really cool. I like that. Ah, now here's something I know I'll get a lot of use out of. Key Smart compact key holder, and it's got, looks like a whole pocket knife system in it. But that I could definitely get a lot of use out of. Oh, no, I see. I'm totally mistaken. This is not a pocket knife. Like, there's nothing in the middle here. It's, you put your keys in it like a pocket knife. That's why it has pieces that screw out of it. So that way you can have them all sort of bunched up together, and then you just have your key fob here, and you don't have a bunch of keys jingling around. Well, that's still really cool. I like that. And now we are towards the bottom of the box with the itty bitty goodies. If I can get them out of the box. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, a Leave No Trace geocaching card. These are pretty cool. I know we got something similar to this at Wood Badge, and we've gotten some of these before for different things, and they're very handy little things to keep around. So that one's on geocaching, and then Tiger Balm. Who doesn't need Tiger Balm after camping, right? And yeah, nothing particularly different about this Tiger Balm versus anything. Ultra Strength Pain Relieving Ointment. Yep, no special smell or anything on it. Ooh, free $5 to upgrade your Key Smart with some awesome tools at getkeysmart.com. So that's cool. I'm not going to show you the back of that because I don't want to accidentally give away codes. And by Scouts for Scouts, ScoutBox.us patch. I love that. Man, I really get into patches, man. I got an awesome patch collection, but yeah, good patch. Nice patch. Love it, guys. And this is just the little thank you card, I guess. Congrats, you're making history. You're holding the first ever adult leader Scout Box in your hands. Hooray! Share your Scout Box experience for a chance to win cool prizes. And yeah, I think that just covers everything we got, and it looks like we got everything. Okay, the patch we got's the 2018 edition of the patch, so that's cool. And yeah, it looks like we got everything out of the box, so no mistakes, no whoops, this didn't come this time, which is why I always check these cards. But anyways, I'm going to now carefully put everything back until I am fully ready to take it apart and have it go where it needs to go for various uses that I will need for it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I would love to hear what other kinds of stuff you would like me to unbox in the future. I've got tons of retro toys and things of that nature coming. And if you like this adult leader specific Scout Box, feel free to go to scoutbox.us and see if they have any more in stock. I'm pretty confident that they will do this as a series eventually. I think this was just their test run. But like I said, it was $50 for the box. Shipping was included, I do believe, and it was a one-time deal, so it wasn't a subscription fee every month. But I don't know how they'll do it moving forward. But anyways, guys, you've been listening to McGann Ramble On. I thank you for being here again, and we'll see you in the next video.